what I say to you. Don't worry. Hakuna Matata. When we'll get to the balcony and then we'll go back to the bus, I will repeat once more the program. Yeah? What I want you now is to focus your attention in your pictures moment. Although we're going to make a stop in 5 minutes from now, but on the way to that balcony place, you're going to enjoy this pictures moment. These escalators that you can see here on your right hand side, you're going to know them when you'll finish the tour with me. When we finish the tour with me, I will take a train to Madrid, and then Lisa will let you know at what time you're going to leave for going back to the bus and going to Valencia. But look at now to your left hand side, there is that monument, that castle on the top of a hill. That castle was made more than 700 years ago, and that castle is nowadays a backpackers hostel. Yeah, it's called San Servando. Can you imagine sharing the bedroom with another 20 people? Oh my gosh, in all the smelling, all the noise in the middle of the night. So it's much better to pay a little bit more than a backpackers hostel. That backpackers hostel was made to control the enemies that Toledo had in the Middle Ages, but also for people that wanted to sell products like olive oil, wine, saffron, that are the main products that are produced in La Mancha. They have to stop there and to pay taxes for the right of selling their products here in Toledo. Well, look at now, once Manuel will turn left, you're going to have a wonderful picture moment, the ones you are placed behind him. So be ready with your cameras. Left hand side, we're going to see a nice panorama of the castle, the river, to take us right. Yeah, look at how beautiful it is. That building only costs 4 million euros. Yeah. So if I win the lottery, you will be my guest. Yeah. These type of buildings that you can see here, belongings, but well, no problem. That is a nice city, but always have to be careful. Thank you. So remember, we are in channel number 6.
Number 6. We're in Toledo in the US, but it's Toledo, pronounced by Filipino. So this is where the nice medieval places that we're gonna be walking. Oh wow! Ganda. Ayan, we're crossing that river. I mean that river, the bridge. That's the bridge. We're gonna cross that bridge.
Yeah, and he
Are we gonna walk there? Or we gonna take the bus? Okay. I think we're gonna walk there. Tapos pagdating na doon sa dulo sa tayo.
Ay, so dito na tayo?
Okay, we can get off now. We won't see the bus for about 3 hours, so take...
Mga ka-vlog, kami say hi to my friends. I'm vlogging right now. Oh, so magano tayo, BFF? Maglalakad tayo diyan sa hey, this is my new friend. You guys go ahead.
Let's go.
Okay. We're heading. Oh, look at everybody's already down there. Say hello. Sabi ko, I'm gonna vlog, when we're gonna be in Toledo, and then we're gonna cross this. I can hear her voice now. Oh, muntik ako nahulog. So kami ay cross, we will cross that one right there. See that? What's the name of this again? St. Martin, right? St. Martin daw, St. Martin. Tignan ko kung kakayanin kung, I think we're gonna walk. So everybody there. I'm gonna be walk there.
We're walking up there.
All right, over there, right?
Yeah, stay with me.
Okay.
So there's two.
Dina, she wants to
Okay.
say hello, Lisa.
Hello.
Say to my vlog. I'm vlogging my Spain.
Hello.
This is my
Welcome to
beautiful
Spain.
tour lady.
Yeah. This is my beautiful tour companion for the next 8 days.
I will be the pain in the butt. So look at them. I'm gonna show this one to them. So beautiful. And then they have a river flow. Oh, ganda. So beautiful. It's so beautiful. And this is my other taxi buddy. Hi. We're gonna go take the taxi because we're broken. Yes, we are. So everybody, we're gonna be with Lisa. Okay, there you go.
Who else is going text? Just you and me?
My sister.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, there. We're not crossing there. So we're gonna be taking the taxi. Oh, so everybody's taking they're gonna. Hello, guys. I see you on the other side. So we will take the taxi because we were. Okay. Say hello, my dear friend, to my vlog. Okay. Okay, Dina, doon ka sa kabila. Ako na sa gitna. We're taking the... Hindi, si Lisa yun na sa kabila. Okay. You're gonna walk? O Dina, ikaw na lang. Okay. Oh! So we're not gonna walk in the bridge, but we are going to take the taxi because it's too long. Okay, Babush, I'll be back. Cobblestone, we're already up here. Yeah, look at that, so beautiful. We're going to the bathroom. Well, we're going to the toilet. This is what they call in Europe toilet.
Yeah, but here it's baños.
Ah, baños.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's right,
But in,
Spanish.
but in Scotland, it's going to be toilet.
Toilet.
Or actually, it might be. They might call it.
And then the people in America, they call it restroom.
England, they call it the loo.
Is this the one? Where's the toilet? Baños. Is this the one? Okay.
Thank you.
Are we gonna go inside? Start of our walking tour. So this is a Hebrew. Okay. Ceramic tiles. I'm listening to our tour guide. Okay, this is the Jewish side of Toledo. Oh, that's beautiful. Right, this is a monastery. Okay, this is a monastery. Oh, a Franciscan monastery.
A road. The road. If you look at above,
Oh.
you see there is a big road. That's the symbol of
I could even see. I can even see it.
That means Jesus. Why? Because it's the only animal to dress himself in a choose
Okay, guys, he's can order.
when there is no food. It's always a symbol of sacrifice.
Oops, sorry. Okay. Still walking here. Oh, look at that. It's grapes. Look at the grapes. Oh my gosh. So grapes. This place is a synagogue here in Toledo. I'm just gonna show it to you how it looks. This is a synagogue. They don't have chairs. You see that one? They don't have any chairs. So when they pray kneeling.
Parang sa amin, 90% came.
Pupunta kami ngayon sa another church. So this is part of our walking tour. Walking! Pero kailangan maghanap ako ng maupuan. There's a little town. Little town of Toledo. Ito yung napuntahan namin. Ito yung napuntahan namin na nakita namin sa labas. Nag-take kami ng picture doon sa may panoramic. So ito yun. So ngayon, ito naman yung yes.
Yeah, olive tree. Yeah.
Olive tree, yeah.
If there is someone that you have not yet followed,
That one. That's an olive tree. Yeah, that one is olive tree. Yep.
it's like 5 years old.
5 years old olive tree. Oh, I can.
5. It's a baby. A baby olive tree.
Oh, look at that. Cobbled stone. Sabi niya, ito daw yung map. Map daw siya. Menorah. Wala akong makita. Marami daw ceramic tiles dito. Tapos ito na yung ito na ang daan nila ngayon. Lakad-lakad, pagod-pagod, pagod na ako. Nagpa-vlog ah. Sungit ni Doktora. Yan. Hello ka sa akin. Hello ka sa akin. Ito pinakamasungit. Stricto siya eh. Yan. Nagpa-vlog ako eh. Oh, ano na naman yan? Modern window daw. Dami ko kinain kanina. Kaya ngayon exercise. So, pinawisan na ako. Sobra ng pawis. Sabi daw dito daw nilalagyan nila ng mga tubig. Pagkain dito na raw kukunin na raw yan. Oo. Oh, katakot. Magbabush na ako kasi nakakapagod pala itong walking tour na to. Sobra. Kanina pa ako. Grabe. Pagod na ako. Babush. Babalik ako ulit. The walking tour is done. So right now, we are waiting for, we're gonna go home now. We're gonna go to Valencia and look at my family. We're having coffee. The reason why we're going to have coffee is because we want to go to the bathroom. And then they have this kind, parang churros to. Masarap i-dip sa chocolate. Kaya lang, wala silang chocolate, wala silang pang-dip. So sabi ni Lia na pogi, sabi niya, i-dip ko, Nay, i-dip mo sa kape. Pero in fairness, yung kape nila, this is what they call kape con leche. Leche. So ngayon, i-dip ko ito, dito sa kape. Tingnan natin kung masarap siya. Ayan. Dip ko na, dip. Hindi siya masarap. Kontrabidal doktora. Kanina pa yan. Choco daw. In fairness, hindi nga masarap. Walang lasa. Parang nasa China ka, pag may ganito ka. No? Tawag nito? Youtiao daw, pero sa akin churros. Hindi naman matamis. Hindi masarap. Tira-tira yung sugar na tira-tira. O sige na, kami aalis na. Pipick upin daw kami dito. Okay, babush. Okay, pabalik na kami. Papunta na kami ng Valencia. Nakakatuwa. Kasi one line lang kami kasi so ngayon ganito yung tsura namin. Para kami one line. Nakikita niyo yan? Naka one line sila. So parang ganda ng parang ganyan siya. May mga sasakyan kasi kaya kailangan namin sa tabi-tabi kami. Ooh, look at that. Tignan dyan, no? Ang ganda. Uy, paborito mo, Joy.
Oo nga.
Joelita. Oh, yeah.
250,000.
Oh, this one?
This madam, yeah.
This is 250,000.
250,000. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh, Joy, this is your favorite.
They take credit card.
Joelita.
Kaya nga, mahal naman. Niregaluhan naman ako ni Justin ng birthday ko.
Ganon?
Pero, ano lang.
Pumunta na ako doon, kaya lang kailangan mag-member ka. In order for you to get that one. Ano to? I know. Ooh, is that a church?
Ano yan?
Parang church. Parang cathedral.
That church is like a
It's a cathedral. Yan ang cathedral. Cathedral daw yan. Hindi ko makuna ng picture. Are we going there?
no.
Oh my
Going
gosh.
to see, now we
So,
don't see any other monuments.
We will walk
We're
over
okay
there.
with the monuments.
So we're gonna be walking here. Walking and walking. So, yeah, we're gonna be walking down the street. Down the street. Tulido. Masyadong ano.
Hindi yung tapos din yung magenta.
Oo. Para makita nila na naglalakad tayo. Paakyat. Utang na loob. Ayan ang katedral. Ito, follow the leader. Okay. Kumusta na kaya sila sa sa baba? Kumusta na kayo dyan? Yung mga nasa likod ko.
Ano naman si Aidan?
Sino? Si Aidan nasa likod ko?
Puro lalaki, sana babae.
Hindi pa siya interesado.
Wala pa siya nakikita katulad ng mami niya.
Hinihingal.
Imagine mo, ang
Hinihingal
mami
kami.
doktora, maganda. O di siyempre mahirapan.
Ganda. Beautiful. It's beautiful. Hey, my friend.
What makes something Texas style? Oh, she's
He's just looking at me, smiling like that. Say hello to my friends.
Don't forget it.
Yeah.
When you see that smiling hand, can you hear me? Yes?
Yes.
And that man looking at you,
Oh.
you see a little head here.
when you're with a Filipino
Yes?
family, you get like at least
You know what is the meaning of this?
What's that?
I think was the most important, I mean the danger in the past in a town like Toledo. The risk of fires. When there is a fire, something that you don't have
Risk
is
of fire.
time. I mean, you must be very fast. So in 12, 13, 1400, there were very few people that had water at home. So every time in Toledo that you have a building that has a tiny head on the top of the entrance, it means that inside this building there was a well with water.
Oh.
Because imagine when the fire starts, you say, I have to be quickly. Then it's a well. So maybe my neighbor.
Fire escape. Huh? Fire escape. Fire escape.
Oh, you know, fire escape.
Ganda siya.
Diyan siya tatayo.
Oo. Diyan siya tatayo. Saan? Saan? Doon banda. Fire escape.
Oo nga, yung ulo.
Grabe, no? May mga ganito sa Pilipinas. Maganda sana, no? Okay. Papasok kami sa isang lugar na hindi ko alam kung ano yung papasukan namin. Nawawala na yung aking tour guide. Hindi ko alam kung ano papasukin namin. Isang bahay papasukan namin. O sige na, mamaya na tayo mag-vlog. Okay. We're entering another alley.
Ay, di ba may regalo ka sa kanya?
Sino? Magkano nga sa'yo? Sabi ko sa'yo?
500.
Ha!
300.
Gamitin ko yung card ko. Mag-shopping ka na. Oh, look at that. Shopping! Shopping! Souvenir! Wow, sweet naman si attorney at saka si doktora. Oh. Sweet naman nila.
Nagpapabili.
Ay, gusto ko yung hat na yun, oh.
Sino nagpapabili? Ako.
Gusto ko yung hat na yun, oh.
Parang ba kami ng ginawa? Oh my God.
Oh my gosh. Oh, 6 euros daw. Per ano dito, ano? Mura naman. Pulido. Yeah. Oh, may Starbucks daw dito. Hanapin natin ang Starbucks.
Bumili ng magnet.
Oh, ma'am, sa end daw ng walk na to.
Ayun o, gusto ko din yan. Bumili niya no.
Ganyan. Ito.
Saan ba yung McDonald's?
Hindi naman ganda. Parang Amalfi Coast. Ano yun? ATM.
Wow, I can smell it.
ATM?
The Lego.
Where's Lego? What is that?
Que no, this is turrón.
Turon?
A mí me ha dicho así. Es que pueden, ¿cómo pueden tener?
Parang peanut. Para siyang turon nga. Turones. Wala lang balot. Yung sa atin kasi may balot. Okay lang. Sabi nung tour namin, meron daw Starbucks dito. Kanina pa ako pagod na ako. Pagod na ako. Alam mo, tawag ko dito sa tour guide namin. Last ng last. Sinasabi niya sa amin. Last. Walang hintong kalas niya. Yan, tingnan nyo na lang. Share ko na lang sa inyo. Yung mga building niya.
No, ya la puesto en su sitio y ya sabe que no lo paso mal. Ahí. Y ahora está la que me pone.
Bawal sa akin to. Bawal. Oops. Ano kayo magano ko dyan? Manalo ako. Oh! Starbucks talaga. Oh, there's Starbucks. Hoy, tayo na. Doon tayo sa dulo. Magsha-shopping pa ako. Tingnan niyo kami. Lakad kami ng lakad. Sa totoo lang, pagod na ako. Oh, si Anika, oh. Oh, may anading ano dito. Ang galing ng babae, oh.
Comenzó a correr tras el llano que no le alcanzara el viento. Dejóse la vacía en el suelo y alzando la Quijote dijo: sin duda es este el famoso yelmo de oro del rey moro Mandrillo.
Ay, scratch! Oh, so this is the square. Ayun ang McDonald's. Oh, pharmacy. Ayan. Magla-lunch kami dito. Dito po kami magla-lunch. Ganda. Oh, napapaina ako. Kailangan natin ng rest na ano. Oops! Naka-vlog yung aking masakit na tiyan. Oh, eto na. Sabi nung aming tour guide, last na raw to. Ito na yung square. Ito na yung tinatabi na yung square. Tapos, nakita niyo yan? May McDonald's doon, oh. Oops! McDonald's. Okay. Time to eat and time to go to the bathroom. Babush.